Great ideas there, Meredith. Thank you so much. You know, it's that time of year when Americans everywhere will be celebrating the 4th of July holiday with family, friends, and fireworks. Unfortunately, over the past 15 years, there has been an increase in the number of people actually injured during this festive time. Here's more.
Got it done here. Ouch! And we're gonna make sure you lit this time. Ouch! You're not gonna get me this time.
Ow, Manny!
Whoops! Let's try an easy one.